In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want the app and posts to display in your preferred language, making X much easier to navigate and use every day. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open X on your computer or mobile browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main timeline, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the More button. This is where X hides a lot of extra settings and account options. After clicking More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the main settings area where you can customize your account, privacy, and display options. Next, on the settings page, look for Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Click that option to open the section that controls how X looks and behaves for you. Inside that menu, click Languages. This is the section where you can manage the language settings for the app and for posts. Now look for App and Post Languages. Under this option, you'll see your current display language. Click on it and select your preferred language from the list. Once you choose your language, X will update the interface to match your selection. Depending on your browser or device, the changes may apply immediately, or you may need to refresh the page for everything to fully update. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on X, and now the platform should feel much more comfortable to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.